Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making Instant Pot rosemary beef tips. Alright guys, I'm starting out in my Instant Pot. I have it on this sear setting and it's hot. I'm going to add some olive oil in here. Just enough to coat the bottom. And I have a top round roast here I cut in diced into cubes. I'm going to do this in two batches because if I crowd the pressure cooker it's going to steam and we're going to get a lot of liquid. And we want this to brown. So I'll get the first half in. Get a little more in there, guys. Okay, now I'm going to season this. I'm going to start out by adding a little bit of celery seed in here. About a quarter of a teaspoon. About a quarter of a teaspoon of paprika. We're going to do a quarter of a teaspoon of everything. Some garlic salt. Some onion powder. And some rosemary. Now crushed rosemary would be best for this. It's like a powder, but I don't have any, so I'm just using this rosemary. You can see it's the little rosemary leaves. I'm just going to allow this to brown, get a nice crust on it. And then I'll take this out, brown my second batch and season it. And when I get that part done, I'll bring you guys back. Alright guys, now that my beef tips are all nice and browned up and seasoned, I'm going to put some beef broth in here. I'm going to dump about a cup in. Might be a cup and a half, but that's fine because we're going to use the beef broth to make a nice sauce for over the top of these beef tips when they're done. Now I'm going to give this a stir to loosen up all that goodness off the bottom of the pot because that's where your flavor is, guys. You just want to stir it around good. Okay, now I'm going to equal out my beef tips in there. I'm going to put my lid on here. Make sure we're set on air tight. And I'm going to set this to pressure cook for 20 minutes. When the 20 minutes are up, I'm going to allow it to do a natural release of the pressure, and then I'll pull the meat out and we'll make the sauce. Okay guys, now that my time is up and this is the natural release of pressure, I'm going to turn it back on the saute to bring this up to a boil. And I have a cornstarch slurry here. It's about a tablespoon of cornstarch and about a quarter of a cup of cool tap water. I'm going to go ahead and stir that right in there. And I'm going to allow this to boil for a minute to thicken up. It shouldn't take long. And please don't mind the noise in the background. My kid is doing wash, and it's washer and dryer here running. Okay guys, my sauce is thickened up just about to where I want it. This is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Guys, I also went ahead and made some oven roasted potatoes to go with this. Let me get in here and try these now. Watch and see how tender these are, guys. See that? It's with a fork. Well seasoned, taste rosemary and the other spices that penetrated into the beef. That sauce is really rich in flavor. As it thickened up, it condensed down and got even more flavorful. Try some of my potatoes. Nice and crispy, well seasoned. Alright, there you have it guys. Instant Pot rosemary beef tips. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.